Give time to children. It is important for parents to give time to their children by sitting with them and asking them about their day and their activities and who they spent time with on a daily basis. Unfortunately, some parents are so busy earning wealth and behave as if doing this for their children is their only responsibility, thereby neglecting more important duties like finding time to sit and speak with them on a daily basis. This allows the child to become comfortable discussing issues with their parents. But if parents are always too busy, their children may find discussing certain issues too uncomfortable, which only causes them to discuss these things with other people, and some of these people will misguide the children with bad advice. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.